In this video, I'll show you how to hide Discord link previews and rickroll like a boss. Begin by getting a link to share in Discord. I have another tab open in my browser and it's a YouTube video for the song by Rick Astley called Never Gonna Give You Up. So I'm just going to highlight this link, right click on it and click on copy to copy it to my clipboard, go back to Discord. And now before you paste in this link into Discord, you have to press the less than symbol on your keyboard, right click, paste in your link, and then type the greater than symbol on your keyboard. So again, it's the less than symbol, your link to share, and then the greater than symbol. And then you can press enter on your keyboard to share. And there you go, you can see the link now has no link preview, unlike the above YouTube video link. Congratulations, you have just rickrolled your friends. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to hide Discord link previews and rickroll like a boss. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let